Hello guys, welcome to my video. Today we are going to solve printer error code. Now we will open the command prompt and check the IP address of the main computer where the printer is installed. Now we have moved to the computer where we will share the printer. Now we will type the IP address here and press enter. There are many printers showing up here, so we will go back to the main computer and check which printer is online. We have checked. Now when we try to connect, we see that it is showing a 709 error code. We will solve this problem now, so please see the full video.